In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use imports and exports in ClickUp. We'll walk through where to find the import and export settings and how to explore the different import sources like spreadsheets, documents, Notion, and Jira. By the end, you'll know exactly where everything lives and how to move around this part of ClickUp confidently. First, start in your ClickUp workspace and open the list where you're working. In this example, we're in a list under a project inside a workspace, but it doesn't matter which list you choose. The important thing is that you're inside the ClickUp app and can see your usual tasks and views. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on your account area. This might show your initials, an avatar, or your profile icon. Go ahead and click that. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your personal account and workspace. From that drop-down, select the option labeled Settings. This will open a new settings area for your ClickUp account and workspace. It may take a second to load, but once it does, you'll see a sidebar with different categories you can configure. In the settings sidebar, find and click on the section called Imports Exports. This is the central place where ClickUp lets you bring data in from other tools or send data out. Think of it as your data transfer hub. Opening this section will show you the different import options available. Inside the Imports and Exports area, you'll see a button or drop-down labeled Select Source of Import. Click on that to reveal the list of supported import sources. You may see options for spreadsheets, documents, Notion, Jira, and possibly others, depending on your account and any updates ClickUp has made. Click on Select Source of Import again if needed to keep the menu open, then choose Spreadsheet. This is where you would import data from CSV files or similar formats. Even if you're just exploring, it's useful to see what fields and instructions ClickUp provides here. Once you've looked around, click Back to return to the main import source selection screen. From here, click on Document. This area handles imports from document-style sources. Again, you're just getting familiar with the layout and options for now. When you're done, click Back once more. Back on the import selection screen, click on Notion. This shows you how you'd bring in pages and content from Notion into ClickUp. After reviewing that screen, click Back to return. Finally, click on Jira. This section is designed for importing issues and projects from Jira into ClickUp. Take a moment to note any prompts or requirements displayed, then click Back to exit and return to the main imports area. That's the full tour of how to navigate to and move between the different import options in ClickUp using the Imports/Export settings.